My last mistake, I'm going to try to do this the best I can. The last mistake involves drinking. I put myself in a position where I didn't look at the signs and I didn't look after myself, and then I ended up misrepresenting myself just because I didn't look at my environment. To be honest, it's been the biggest growth, because if you can look at yourself and how you've been and like you want to change, that's where the growth is, you know? So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. People do make mistakes, and then but generally people are trying to do better, and if people are really, you know, playing up or making big mistakes or f***ing up, they're just hurt in some way, and they're just trying to deal with something, you know, on the inside. And if we can, you know, have a little bit of compassion for these people, or, you know, anyone, not, you know, I'm not relating this to me, but in general, you know, it makes it easy. It'll be easier for everyone, you know what I mean? The best thing about it, like, when I did reach out for help, I seen the community that was behind me, you know, and it was cool. And they could understand that I was going through some stuff, and they, you know, they stood by my side and helped me out. And then, you know, I worked through it, and then, you know, like 2 weeks on, like I'm feeling good. I'm positive, you know, ready to carry on, do the mahi. Even though I have made the same mistakes a few times in my life, like over and over again, but it's always like the gaps in between them are getting bigger, if you know what I mean. It is hard to ask for help, but it's way harder to be on your own, you know what I mean?